So you're sitting there in your trading room, all prepped up and ready for the action. You got your computer, your trading platform is running, you have charts on your screen, numbers are flickering, all good. You also have the TV on, tuned to a financial news channel, and you're sitting there looking at the headlines. Here's a couple of those. Markets are higher and lower unemployment numbers, or oil is selling off as OPEC countries are struggling to reach consensus. Oh, yet some more. The wheat futures are up sharply, while the president in South Korea are discussing the trade deficit. You may not notice this, but your brain is constantly processing headlines like those. And it's always trying to link similar things together, even if there are no logical similarities exist, and the events are completely independent of each other. I believe we're wired that way. It's a form of survival instinct to look for a cause-effect combination. For example, if you touch an unshielded wire, you might get shocked and your fingers will hurt for a day or two. Your brain will associate touching wires with pain, and next time you see a wire, you'll stay further away from it. Cause and effect. Now let's get back to our news headlines. Check this one. Markets are higher on lower unemployment numbers. Now, it's true that the market was higher at the time when the unemployment numbers were announced. Maybe they jumped up right after the announcement. But was the market higher because of lower unemployment numbers? Did everyone just hear that the companies have been hiring like crazy? And is everybody buying the market because of that, pushing it higher? Will it go even higher from here? Or is it the other way around? Maybe the unemployment is now lower because the stock market has been rallying for the last several months. Maybe the companies were hiring people like crazy thinking the economy was doing well. In this case, perhaps everyone has bought the market by now. There's nobody left to push it higher, and it's going to start selling off soon. Maybe this is the top. You could certainly find historical examples of market being either up or down on similar lower unemployment reports. So the headlines like those are not very actionable. They don't tell you where the market is going, they just tell you where it's been. Remember, the news channels simply report the news. They're not making any predictions about the future. Pay attention. The headlines always say something happening as something else is happening. Not something happening because something else is happening. The keyword is as, not because. And the cause-effect link you've been searching for in the news articles or the headlines, well, it's pretty much all in your head. Nothing more. Think about that next time you put on a trade. Thank you.